Welcome everyone to another helpful Windows 11 tutorial. In today's video, we're going to learn how to set an internet data limit on your Windows 11 computer. This feature helps you control data usage. First, right-click on the Start icon on your taskbar. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open the Windows Settings window. Next, in the Settings panel, click on Network and Internet. Then, at the top of the page, you'll see two sections showing data usage, one for Wi-Fi and one for Ethernet. Select the one you want to monitor and set the limit for. After that, click on the option called Enter Limit. A new window will appear where you can customize your data settings. From the menu, choose the type of limit you want: daily, weekly, monthly, one-time, or unlimited. Then, choose your preferred data unit, either megabytes or gigabytes. Next, enter the amount of data limit you want to set, for example, 5 gigabytes. Finally, click on the Save button to apply your settings. Windows 11 will now track your usage and notify you when you're close to reaching the limit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.